because of the consistent turn of events and advocacy of the thoughts of the digital currency local area. The advanced crypto market needs new specialized and applied arrangements that could further develop client collaboration with crypto. One of these undertakings is the Universe organization, and its inward advanced coin particle universe is an environment comprised of blockchains that can connect with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was confined and couldn't meet with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Moreover, it was challenging to accomplish high exchange speed. In any case, Universe offers another mechanical vision. In Universe, the blockchains fill in as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement, made by Yi Quan in 2014. Universe makes a biological system of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Universe project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the collaboration objectives: versatility, Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, evidence of stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. In a couple of words, Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure is a property of a framework equipped for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the issues of Byzantine commanders. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting vindictively. Adaptability is a fundamental component of any venture pointed towards supporting future application improvement. Universe will likely expand its versatility utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, arrangement convention, and essential language. The POS strategy depends on a bunch of semi-confided in hubs for casting a ballot by blocks. However long in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs tell the truth, the convention will work with practically no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of particle tokens as insurance. Any hub that observes that it is acting with malevolent expectation will be erased from the framework, and its IOTAs will be scorched. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal universe center. Notwithstanding, they likewise send off a full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the scaffold to affirm that the relating sum has been fixed. Unique tokens are hindered in a situation with a few marks until the extension check device opens them. In like manner, it annihilates the tokens in the cross-chain. This approach permits clients to move computerized resources in various chains. IOTA is a local digital currency used to pay exchange charges at the Universe fundamental focus and partake in the agreement cycle. Universe value examination. Universe is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee collaboration between them. The organization works on the Tendermint Agreement calculation, and the engineers position it as a web of blockchains. On August 18th, IOTA's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DEFI firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Universe engineers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Combination of SIFchain, a decentralized trade on Universe organization, with the Between Blockchain Correspondence Convention permitted to manage exchanges among Universe and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, Universe real cost, as per coinmarketcap.com. The real Universe value as of 14th of December is $21.37. Throughout the last day, the cost has expanded by 5.70%, and over the course of the week, it has fallen by 1%. Universe cost examination has shown that the computerized resources expense diminished by 12.5% in a month. In addition, its worth has expanded by 276% over the course of the year. Moreover, IOTA has an ongoing flowing inventory of 226,226,028 coins. There is a considerable amount of contest among projects attempting to tackle the collaboration issues between blockchains. Universe's rivals incorporate new companies like Polkadot, AIN, and Penta. Universe offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks. However, the issue of connection between blockchains is as yet important. The answer for it will permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains, yet additionally to trade data in full. Consequently, the fate of the task relies upon its turn of events. It is dangerous to compose a figure for the molecule digital currency. Very much like for some other computerized resource, the crypto market is excessively eccentric. In any case, some face challenges and voice their choices. Regardless of whether they harmonize with the truth is another inquiry. As per wallet financial backer and computerized coin value, the IOTA rate will keep acquiring benefit in a question of a year. Toward the finish of 2021, it could reach nearly $30, making it 33% of expected development. Gov. Capital Cost Gauge isn't more bullish than others since it predicts that the cost of particle could reach $29. Universe Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Universe in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Universe will be around $18.42. The greatest expected molecule cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Universe Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Universe, in 2024, IOTA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $26.03 and $32.11. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Universe Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Universe and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base molecule cost could drop to $38.62, while its most extreme can reach $45.87. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97. Universe Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Universe by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least particle costs are normal in 2026, $67.61 and $59.36. Overall, it will be exchanged at $60.96. Universe Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Universe. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical molecule cost will be around $86.03. It could drop to at least $83.60. Yet it actually could reach $102.34 all through 2027. Universe Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists plan estimates at the cost of Universe. It is assessed that molecule will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $116.80 and $144.03 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $120.24 during the year. Universe Value Forecast 2029. Digital currency examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Universe's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the greatest IOTA cost of $202.08. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $173.32. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $178.13. Universe Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Universe cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their molecule cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $246.73, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $298.10. Overall, you can anticipate that the IOTA cost should be around $253.86 in 2030. Universe Value Forecast 2031. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Universe's cost. The year 2031 not entirely settled by the greatest molecule cost of $431.56. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $363.40. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $300